Acting President Constantino Chiwenga on Friday sparked fresh political debate after he appeared at the National Heroes Acre for the burial of retired Brigadier General Mathias Tshirenga without wearing President Emerson Mnangagwa's trademark scarf. Sanapena mash kuda panguva ino achinzi Chiwenga dams Mnangagwa scarf, and panguva ino kunokwa kunzi even a delegation vamwewo zviganada zvazviripo hazvinotoyawo zvakapfeka scarf. Don't subscribe or like it on the bell icon. Tibina msimpa imabudanyo pamchinzi. Chiwenga's choice of attire in the official ceremony immediately drew attention, with observers interpreting it as a deliberate and symbolic move. The scarf has in recent years become closely associated with Mnangagwa and his controversial toilet agenda, which seeks to extend his rule beyond the current constitutional term. Political analysts say the absence of the scarf was not accidental. In Zimbabwean politics, symbolism matters. One analyst said, when a senior figure like General Chiwenga appears at a high-profile national event without the president's signature scarf, it sends a message of quiet but clear defiance. Another observer added, this is being read as a refusal to publicly endorse the 2030 agenda. Chiwenga knows exactly how such gestures are interpreted. The burial was held in honor of Brigadier General retired Mathias Tshirenga, a Liberation War veteran whose name the guru was Elias Chimurenga. Ngarava was born on 27 March 1959 in Mokore village under Chief Gororo in Chiwi district, Masvingo province. According to the biography, Ngarava began his primary education at Shindi Primary School in Chiwi district 1967 and completed in 1974. The following year, he proceeded to Berejena Mission, also in Chiwi, where he attended Forms 1 and 2 before later joining the liberation struggle. While the ceremony was made to celebrate Ngarava's life and the contribution to Zimbabwe's independence, Chiwenga's appearance overshadowed proceedings and reignited speculation about growing rifts within the country's top leadership. Thomas Kwanumdanyo kwa panguva inai. Pinakome section medu zofundwa aim today pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.